Mathematics paper 2 non-calculator. So mathematics 0580 to paper 2 non-calculator extended. It's 2 hours duration, and this is practice sheet 8. Okay, also calculator is not allowed. Let's go for the first question. 6.25 times 10 power minus 3 as an ordinary number. So when we remove this 10 power minus 3, the decimal ways have to go back, which is here 1, 2, 3. So 0.00625. That's answer 0.00625. Next, work out 0.03 times 2 times 10 power 6 is in the standard form. So 0.3 times 2, which is 0.06 times 10 power 6. So 10 power 6. So we'll make it in standard form. So two tens become 1 and 2 moves. So 6, then remaining there is 4 zeros. So just we remove the remaining 4. So we'll write 10 power 4. That's the answer. So this is a standard form. So we'll write 6.0 times 10 power 4 is the answer here. Next one, write 231 as a product of prime factors. So 231, so 3 into 77, which is 7 into 11. So the answer is 3 times 7 times 11. Next, Abhi and Salma are racing in go-karts. Abhi takes 75 seconds to complete each lap. Salma takes 100 seconds to complete each lap. Okay, at the start of the race, they line up together on the starting line. So how many minutes later do they next cross to start line together? So when they go together, we need to find LCM. So first one time they are meeting, so next time when they meet together, most of the time we're using LCM. So here 75 and 100. So when I take the least common multiple, so 75, I'll do 75 times 5 times this is 15. So here 3 times 5. So 75 equal to 5 times 3 times 5. And 100 equal to, so when we make it 100 to 50 to 25 and 5, which is 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. So higher least common multiple, that is one is yeah 5, one is common, then what is common, another 5 is common, times 3 times 2 times 2, which is 25 times 3 times 4. The answer is going to be 25 times 3, 75. 75 times 4 is 300. So the answer is going to be 300 seconds. So they are like 75 seconds and 100 seconds. Final answer we need to leave as minutes. So 600 seconds 2 minutes, so we need to divide it by 60, which is equal to 5. So the answer is 5 minutes. The next question, work out 5 times 1 by 3 and 1 times 3 by 4. Your answer is a mixed number in its lowest form. So 5 times 3 will change into improper. This one, 3 times 5, 15 plus 1, 16 by 3 times 4, 4 plus 3 is 7 by 4. So here we cannot simplify this 4 and the 16. This is 4 times. So we'll write 28 over 3, which is equal to, how many 3's are there in 28? 9 3's are, then 1 left, 1 by 3. We need to leave answer as a mixed number, so we change this a mixed number. 9 1 by 3 is the answer here. Next, the exterior angle of a regular polygon is 12 degree. The polygon has n sides. Find the value of n. We got exterior angle, so exterior angle is 12, so 360 divided by 12, which is, yeah, how many sides the workout we need to do? 360 divided by exterior angle. So 360 here exterior angle is given, so 360 divided by 12, which is 330. So 30 sides. Okay, next, there are 300 marbles in a bag. Luna carries out an experiment to estimate how many marbles are red. Okay, she takes a marble out the bag from random, records its color, and is replaced in the bag. Luna does this 50 times, and she recorded a red marble 11 times. So, the red marble total, there are 300 marbles. So, she did it 50 times, she got 11 marbles. So, 11 over 50 times 300, which is this 50, this is 6, so 66. So 66 red marbles were there. Next question, solve 7 minus 2 into x minus 3 equal to 6x plus 1. Just expand 7 minus 2x plus 6 equal to 6x plus 1. So next step, yeah, 13, I'll bring this 1 here, and 6x plus 2x, which is equal to 12 equal to 8x, x equal to 12 by 8, which is equal to 3 by 2. So the answer is whether we can write 3 by 2 or 1.5. So 1.5 is the answer. The next one, x square minus 4x equal to 0. Find the value of x. So I'll factorize x minus 4 equal to 0. From here, x equal to 0 or x minus 4 equal to 0. Here x equal to 4. So the answer is going to be 0 or 4. Next one, find the value of each of the following. 10 power 0, any number power 0, the answer is going to be 1. Next, 64 power 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is nothing, that is a square root. Square root is going to be 8. Next, 12 power 5 divided by 12 cube. When we divide the same base, so then the exponent going to be subtraction. So which is going to be 12 power 2, which is going to be 144, 12 square. So 144 is the answer here. Next, Harry writes x power minus 1 equal to 1 by x. So x power minus 2 equal to 2 by x is Harry's correct. So I explained to how. Okay, so x power minus 1 equal to 1 by x. So in the same pattern, x power minus 2 equal to 1 by x power 2. This is the correct pattern. So he's wrong. He have written like a 2 by x. So he swapped the numbers. So he's wrong. Okay, next. The nth term of the sequence is given 7 minus 5n. Which term of the sequence has the value of minus 88? So next we have to just substitute 7 minus 5n. That's the nth term. 7 minus 5n equal to negative 88. Just we need to find out n. So minus 5n equal to minus 88 minus 7 minus 5n equal to minus 95. So both the side is negative. We'll make it, when we multiply a negative, both the side become plus. So 5n equal to 95. So n equal to 95 over 5, which is equal to 19. So 19 is the answer here. 19th term. Okay, next question. Find an expression for the nth term of the following sequence. So here, first we'll check the difference. If all the differences are same, then it's a arithmetic sequence. Then if it's the same ratio times, then it's geometric. So let's see, it's maybe quadratic and cubic. Quadratic. So here the difference is going to be 21. Here the difference is going to be 57. Here the difference is going to be 192 minus 81, which is 192, 81, 111. So here the difference is going to be 183. Again we go for the difference. Here is 36. Here is 54, and here is 72. Again when we go for the difference, which is 18 which is 18. Okay, we got the same element, so this is a cubic. So last one equal to 6a equal to 18, so a equal to 3. Next part, second one, 7a plus 3b, sorry, this one equal to 12 plus 2b equal to 12a plus 2b equal to 36. So when we substitute a, this is 36. Okay, then we will get 36 plus 2b equal to 36. So 2b equal to 0, so b equal to 0. So a we got 3, b we got 0. Then we'll check out the c. Next, 21 equal to, what we'll write, 7a plus 3b plus c equal to 21. Here b is 0, so 21 plus 0 plus c equal to 21. So here also 0, so c equal to 0. Next, first term, a plus b plus c plus d equal to the first term, which is 3. So here a equal to 3, rest all is 0, 0 plus d equal to 3. So here d also 0. So only a having value. So cubic polynomial a n cube plus b n square plus c n plus d equal to 0. So here all b, c, d all 0, only a having the value. So 3n cube. That's the answer here. The next question, the diagram shows the graph straight line. Find the equation of the straight line. Give your answer y equal to mx plus c. So first c is going to be the y-intercept point, which is -1. So y equal to the plus, sorry, this one -1. Then we'll find out the gradient is the positive gradient is going up the line. So rise over runs, which is 1 by 2. So which is 1 by 2x. That's the answer. Y equal to 1 by 2x minus 1. Next, expand and simplify. So a plus b whole square, which is a plus b times a plus b. So we'll write a plus b times a plus b, which is a square plus ab plus ab plus b square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So the answer is a square plus 2ab plus b square. The next question, find the value a square plus b square. The before one, see, we expanded x a plus b whole square equal to, so we got a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here the value a plus b value is given, ab value is given, so I substitute here 6 square equal to a square plus 2 times 7 plus b square. So 36 equal to a square plus 14 plus b square. So I'll bring 14 this side. 36 minus 14 equal to a square plus b square. 36 minus 14 equal to, here 222 equal to a square plus b square. That's the answer. We need to find a square plus b square, which is 22. Next, find AB. Here is a right angle triangle, two sides were given, which is we are using Pythagoras. So we need to find AB. So x square plus 9 square equal to 15 square. X square equal to 15 square minus 9 square. So x square equal to 225 minus 81, which is 144. So x equal to yeah, actually plus or minus come square root of 144. So x equal to plus or minus 12. Here we cannot choose minus because it's a length can't be negative, so we are choosing only plus 12. The next question, the surface area of a child model car is 200 centimeters square, and the surface area of the full size of the car is 32. So which is, this is centimeter square, this is meter square. So it's given 200 centimeter square ratio, this 32 will make it centimeter square, which is 32 times 2 meters are there, which is 100 times 100 meters square. So we got like a 200 ratio 3 to 1 2 3 4. So 2020 got cancelled. The rest is going to be, then we divided by like 2 times table 1 ratio 1600. This is surface area factor. Actually this is area factor. Then we go for scale factor. Area factor to scale factor, we need to take square root both the side 1600, because scale factor to area factor will square it. So area factor to scale factor, we need to take square root, which is 1 ratio 40. The final answer going to be 40 here. By rounding each number, correct one significant figure, estimate the value of. So first square root of this 19, when we round up we'll get 20, minus 1.95 when we round up one significant figure we'll get 2 over 0.016, which is going to be 0.02. So we'll get the answer square root of 18 over 0.02. So next I'll write here, which is equal to square root of, I'll multiply 100 numerator and denominator because I'm removing this is 2, which is square root of 900, which is equal to 30. 30 is the answer. Next one, Emily invests X at the rate of 4% per year. Simple interest. After 5 years, she has 26 interest. Find the value of X. So simple interest, so which is X times 4 times 5 over 100, which is equal to 26. X equal to 26 times 100 over 4 times 5. So 4 times 5 is 20, and this will go for 5 times, which is 5 times 26, 10 then 30, 130. So X equal to 130. Next, show that 0.31 recurring can be written in 31 by 99, which is X equal to X equal to 0.31 recurring. So I'll multiply 100x, which is the decimal will move 2 places here, 31.31 recurring. I'll subtract both 100x minus x equal to 31.31 recurring minus 0.31 recurring. After decimal, everything will be gone, so only 31 is left. Left side is 99x. So x equal to 31 over 99. So that only we need to show. We showed that. The next one, square root of 80 plus square root of 45. We need to leave the answer a root 5. So first one, this 80 I can write 16 times 5 plus this 45 I can write 9 times 5. So this 16, square root of 16 is 4 root 5 plus square root of 9 is going to be 3. So 3 root 5. So now we can add both. 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 root 5. 7 root 5 is the answer here. Next, write as a single fraction in its simplest form. So we'll make a LCM here. LCM time 5 times x plus 1 minus 7 times 3x minus 2 over, just multiply this to 3x minus 2 and x plus 1. We'll expand the numerator, 5x plus 5 minus 21x plus 14 over, here is only simplest form, so no need to expand the denominator, so 3x minus 2 and x plus 1. Numerator going to be 5x minus 21x, which is minus 16x plus 19 over 3x minus 2 times x plus 1. So the final answer I can write 19 minus 16x over 3x minus 2 and x plus 1. Next, question 15. Describe fully a single transformation, the triangle A onto triangle B. Triangle A onto triangle B, it is rotation. So use tracing paper, so you will get the answer. It is rotation. 90-degree anti-clockwise at center 2 comma minus 1. The next one, on the grid, draw the image of triangle after transforming the represented draw enlargement by 1 by 2 at the center is 1 by 2 was 1 comma 1. So center is 1 comma 1 and the scale factor is 1 by 2. So first I'll go for this point from the center 2 units up. Now there is no no left and right. Then I'll go for this point 1 2 3 units right and 1 2 3 3 units up. Okay, then next is going to be third point is going to be, so I'll write 1 2 3 units right and 1 2 3 4 5 units. How many? 1 2 3 4 5 units up. So now we'll take scale factor of 1 by 2. This become 1 comma 0 and this one become um, actually the question says on the grid draw the image of triangle A after after transformation represented. Draw the enlargement of the B. Okay, sorry, I made a mistake. Actually, it's B. Here, this question. From B's enlargement. So here is a center. So I'll go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 units left, and yeah, there is no 0. Then the second coordinate will be 5 6 units and 0. Then the third coordinate will be here 1 2 3 units and 3 units. So 3 units left and 3 units down. So now I need to do 1 by 2 scale factor. So this is minus 2 comma 0 and this one going to be minus 3 comma 0 and this one going to be minus 1.5 minus 1.5. I need to plot from this from the center. So first one is minus 2 comma 0 1 2. First point is going to be here. Next is minus 3.0 is here. Next one minus 1.5 and minus 1.5, minus 1.5 and minus 1.5. Third point going to be here. So just you need to draw. Yeah, this is the transformation. The next one is done. Okay, next question 18. The table shows information about the weekly wage earned by each of 100 part-time workers. So here we need to find the frequency density. Frequency density is over frequency density equal to frequency over the width. So first one will calculate frequency density 15 over like 30, which is 1 by 2, which is 0.5. Next one, 35 over here is 10, which is 3.5. Next is 30 over 15, which is 2. Next is 20 over 25. So which is going to be, so we'll multiply of 4, which is 80 over 100, which is 0.8. So first one, 20 to 50 is 0.5. So here we need to, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0.5 over here, 20 to 50. 20 to 50 is going to be 0.5. 0.5 here, just draw 0.5. This is 20 to 50. Next one is 50 to 60, which is 3.5. 50 to 60 is 3.5. So enter it here, use ruler, get the proper fill. Okay, so next 60 to 65, 60 to 75, 30. 60 to 75 is going to be 30, which is going to be 2. Okay, next 75 to 100 is going to be 0.8. So the figure is not clear. We need to do exactly 0.8. Okay, so this is the histogram. Okay, the next question, question 19. The diagram shows a solid hemisphere. The total surface area of the hemisphere 243 pi. The volume of the hemisphere is k pi. Find the value of k. So which is, find the total surface area of the hemisphere. Total surface area, the hemisphere surface area is 4 pi r square. So this is like a hemisphere, which is like 1 by 2 4 pi r square. So 2 got cancelled, which is 2 pi r square. Plus this total surface area, the down area also we should add, which is pi r square. So total 3 pi r square. 3 pi r square equal to 243 pi. From r square equal to 243 pi over 3 pi. R square equal to, when we simplify, we'll get 81. So r equal to r square here, r equal to 9. So we got r. Next one need to find the volume of the hemisphere is k pi. Volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube is a sphere volume. Now we are working hemisphere, which is going to be half of this. So this got cancelled. So we'll get volume equal to, hemisphere equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. So here 2 by 3 into pi into r cube, which is 9 cube. So the answer is going to be 243 times, yeah, here only 3 is there, 724, 729. Okay, was 2 by 3 times 5 into 729. Okay, this, when I cancel this here, 243. So 243 times 2 is 486. 486 pi. So which is equal to k pi, which is equal to k pi. So k equal to 486. That's the answer. Next question, the solution of the equation x square minus 6x plus d equal to 0. So x square minus 6x plus d equal to 0 are both are integers. So find d is a prime number. If d is a prime number, so the factors are 1 and the number itself. Okay, so minus 6. So minus 6, when we have to get 1 and the number itself, that means 1 and 5 or 1 or 7. That's only chance because 1 and 7 is going to be so it's not possible because okay, so 1 and 5. So when we take minus 1 minus 5 we'll get positive. Yes, correct. So which is the possible values are minus 1 and minus 5. So when we add up we'll get a negative 6, and when you multiply with 5, which is so the factorize are x minus 1 and x minus 5 will get, so both are integers. Okay, so d also prime number, so d is going to be 5. The next one, ABCD is a kite, and work out the area of the kite. Area is half into like diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. Diagonal 1 is going to be 12 and diagonal 2 is going to be 25. Okay, so the answer is going to be this is 6. 6 times 25, 12 and 30, 150 is the answer here. Next, to find the length of bx is in simplest form. Bx is here. Okay, here is 60, here is 60, and what else we know? AC is 12, so here is 6, here is 6. So we are using turn, then we can find bx. Turn 60. Tan 60 equal to equal to 6 over bx. 6 over bx. So bx equal to 6 over tan 60, which is 6 over tan 60 is going to be sine by cos or root 3. Yeah, which is root 3 by, so root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. So it's going to be root 3. So 6 by root 3. 6 by root 3 will rationalize. So 6 by root 3. So I'll multiply a root 3. I multiply a root 3, which is going to be 6 root 3 over 3. So when we cancel, the answer is going to be 2 root 3. Next question, y is inversely proportional to x. Y equal to 10, x equal to 4. Find the equation connecting y and x. Y inversely 1 by x. So y equal to k by x. Okay, so we'll substitute 10 equal to k over 4. So k equal to, just substitute here, y equal to k value when we substitute here, which is 40 over x. Next, y equal to 5 by 8, find the value of x. So 5 by 8 equal to 40 over x. So x is a subject. So x equal to 40 times 8 over 5, which is, this is going to be 8. 8 times 8 is 64. Next, r is directly proportional to the cube root of v. Complete the statement where r is multiplied by 2, v is multiplied by and proportional cube root of v, so we multiply by 8. Okay, 4 whole numbers have the following properties. The mode is 2 and the median is 5.5 and the mean is 6. Okay, so when we add up all the numbers, so mode is 2, 2 2's are there in this, and the median is going to be 5.5. So 5.5, so it is going to be 5.5 means, so when we are multiply by 2 is 11, so 9 is going to be here, and the mean is going to be 6. When you add up all, so 2 plus 2 plus 9 plus 6 over 4 equal to, mean is going to be 6. So x equal to 24 minus, this is 9. 9 plus 4, 13. It is going to be 11. Okay, the last number is 11, and here is 9, here is 2, here is 2. The next question, 15 people go on an activity holiday. Of these 15 people, 9 go canoeing and 4 go for abseiling. Okay, 5 do not go for canoeing. So 5 is going to be here outside. Okay, here I'm taking as a here, and C here, which is A, how many both to go. This one is x, so here is total 9, so that will take us 9 minus x. This one will take us this one will take, this is x, this is 9 minus x, this is 4 minus x. Okay, so when we add up all, so 9 minus x plus 4 minus x plus 5 equal to total 15. So here we'll find out x. X got cancelled. 13 minus x plus 5 equal to 15. So here minus x plus 18 equal to 15. So minus x equal to minus 3, x equal to 3. So middle is 3. So here 9 minus 3 is, this is A is going to be, so I took wrong. So this is going to be C. This is going to be A. So here is the, I need to swap. Okay, this is correct. A and C. Sorry, this is 6, and this is, here is going to be 1. That's it. Okay, next. A is going to be 4. So okay, so the next part, find a person is chosen as random from those who are canoeing and observing or both. So here only this area, so total is like a 6 plus 3, 10. Out of 10, the probability of the person goes to canoeing obseiling but does not to both activities. So remove the middle one, so 6 plus 1 is 7. So the answer is 7 over 10. The answer is 7 over 10. The next one, question 25. Here find the expression of DC. So DC we need to calculate here. So OBC is a straight line OBC, which is equal to OB and BC equal to 3:2. Okay, so here OA equal to 2A, and AD equal to 3/5 of B. So this is 3 and this is 2. Okay. 3/5 of AB. Okay, so all fine. Okay, find the expression of DC. First we'll find out AB. AB equal to, so A2, yeah, here down is given OB equal to 3B is given. So AB equal to AO plus OB. AO plus OB, which is equal to negative 2A plus 3B. Next, AD equal to 3/5 of AB, which is minus 2A plus 3B. Next, OD equal to OB plus OD equal to, so we go for OA plus AD. OD equal to OA plus OA, which is 2A plus here, which is minus 6 by A plus 9B over 5. Okay, so the next part, OC equal to 3B plus 2B, which is 5B. Okay, now I'm going to find DC. DC equal to minus 4 by A 4D. Yeah, DC equal to OD plus OC. Okay, OD plus DO plus AB. That's right. OC, sorry. DO plus OC, which is equal to minus 4 over 5. A minus 9 over 5B plus 5B. When we simplify, we'll get the answer 16B over 5 minus 4 over 5A. The answer is 16 over 5B minus 4 over 5A. Next, 26. So we need to draw the CAS graph. CAS graph starting from 1, then when it comes 0 to 90, then 180 is minus 1, then 270 is going to be 0, then again 360 going to be 1. Find all the solution of 2 cos x equal to 1. So cos x equal to 1 by 2, x equal to cos inverse of 1 by 2. Cos value is 1 by, cos is positive like a first quadrant and third quadrant. First quadrant cos value is 1 by 2, which is, we'll get 60 degree. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Then this reflect on fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant is 300. So the answer is 60 and 300 in one full rotation. Next to question 27. 2x plus 3 and g of x equal to x square. So f of g of, first we do g of x, g of 6 equal to 6 square, which is equal to 36. 36 will put up in f of 36 equal to 2 into 36 plus 3, which is equal to 72 plus 3, 75. So 75 is the answer here. So f inverse of x, so y equal to 2x plus 3, change x equal to 2y plus 3, change x and y, make a subject x minus 3 over 2 equal to y. So x minus 3 over 2. Next one, f inverse of 5. So first we'll find out f inverse of 5. F inverse of 5 equal to 5 minus 3 over 2, which is 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. That value we have to put in f. F is 2x plus 3. So 2 of 1 plus 3, which is equal to 5. So 5 is the answer here. Yeah, that's the end of the sheet.